In this video, I'm going to go over this small little AirPod 3 case, pretty much an indestructible case from the company MOBOSI. I think that's what it is, the MOBOSI case. So you get a little lanyard right here for hooking onto things. Very solid. This thing is super solid made. So if you got a pair of AirPod 3s that you want to protect, I recommend a case like this because I think this will do the job. And guess what? It actually charges still wirelessly. Watch this. Boom. See the little light on right there? They are charging, so it will still charge through there. You have access to the bottom USB-C port right there. You have the openings for like the microphone or the beeper and the things right there. To open this, you've got a lock on the side. Just like that, it pops open and there's your AirPods right there. And then another cool little kind of item that I didn't even really pay that much attention, but this is a cleaner for your AirPods. So if you take your AirPods out, say I've got this one right here, use this microfiber cloth just like this, clean down in there like that. That is very cool that it has this with it, everybody. And then on this side, you get like a little silicone thing for cleaning out inside there, and there's a little microfiber brush for cleaning your AirPods right there. Very handy little thing right there. I don't know how many times I'll use it, but you know what? I'll put it in a drawer, and I've got it with me, so when my AirPods get kind of gunked up, I'll be able to, you know, clean them off there very easily. But this works out perfect, everybody. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. Once it's locked in there, it's locked in. You can hook it onto your belt loop. You can drop it. It's not going to break. It's not going to damage the AirPods or anything inside. Now this is the AirPod Pro 3, just to know. That's what these are right here. You're going to have to size them for whatever size you got. I don't know if they make them for the 2, but for the 3, I have been very impressed with them. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got with the MOBOSI AirPod 3 protective case. I recommend it. See y'all in the next video.